Di Mahasau District along Kidodun, Karlitang Roshmita Hojai, Kidamtang Vosik Nipai Poarni, Daily Rong Sopi along an RRB Asad Langi Pidam Ji aphan damlo. Bonta kopi kuson penlone Karlitang Roshmita Hojai Kichitang Bangar Pumsi, Uttarakhand along Long Pon Ronglo. Lapen Lason Thak Thaksi, Karlitang Deborah Ronghang Sitami, Methanga Hemtun Kachepang Rain Ji aphan pura, Assam pen ang Tanai State along an Sai Chongda Ji aphan damlo. Bonta alangli sidami kopi kuson penloni sai kachong dara demalong amat si aprandam nang juile lasila bang hinia tum thang na tai ka pin pen la pusona pran kedam nang juya puthak a hokakang sai long nang ji lapen alangli tum bang hinia kar jongta sining hemreng mia long kedodun long pameji aphan kedam tang vosik ni phai krihiniar ni manja police point along DSU KSA KSO tum pen chelangsi alang tum bang hinia pharman melur kai ponsi arnamardom pipon Bangso Melur ke Thorpona Porahut, Lakha Krisir Kep, Dhansari Constituency IEM, Tilutuma Hasnu, Sdamecha Tongdunsi, Karlitang Deborah Ronghang Lapen, Karlitang Roshmita Hojai Atum, Aphan Melur Thorpi Ponsi, Sining Hemreng Mianong Kidodun Long Pameji Aphan Hirjumi Hang Pipon. Jesmet Bangso Jai make a long pen, EM Hasnu Ake Hai Pi, Apen, DSU, KSA, KSO Atum, Ahin Pen, Kaning Jepona Tenke, La Pusona Kisungi Ponang Koklaki, Ladak Mithanga Dimalong, Loki Charlie over Sai Kadure Lapen, Sai Kachong Datim Kadure Joxi, La Pusona Kisung, Chetong Koklupusi Pachinipon.
Their background
Lasimet hangalong real lota asona company industry ason doason te kidukela arada tumta sai kachong taravar sai long dunsi ang tanandam jokplot popusi pachini pontu
community in Manja, DSU, KSA and KSO Manja unit come together in solidarity for the victim families. So we have jointly organized the candlelight vigil program. So my dear friends, both Hasnu and then Wilson has already shared what is our demand already. So not repeating our demands, let it keep simple, that we trust in the authorities. We hope that the investigation is, as Hasnu has already said, it will be fair and transparent, and then the family, the victim's family get the justice. So the student community are always with the family and then will be with the family. KSO Manja unit, the KSA and the DSU all together will support and then will do anything which is required, whether it is legally support or whether it is any others support which is required. So thank you very much. That is my case.
News Report KTV News.